Today, I'll walk you through how to create snaps on Snapchat, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to capture and customize your snaps so you can share fun and engaging moments with your friends. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. If you're new to Snapchat, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. This can happen with updates. Just look for the familiar camera screen, which is the heart of the app. Once you're on the camera screen, you have a few options. You can shoot a photo or a video directly, or if you prefer, you can upload a snap from your gallery. Think of this as choosing between taking a fresh picture or using a snapshot from your past. Both options are great for sharing your experiences. Now let's add some flair to your snap. After capturing your image or video, you can decorate it by adding filters, text, and other creative elements. This is where you can really let your personality shine. Choose a filter that enhances your photo or adds a fun effect. It's like dressing up your snap for a special occasion. Additionally, you have the option to add a song that you like to your snap. This feature allows you to set the mood for your content, making it more engaging for your viewers. Just think of it as adding a soundtrack to a movie scene. Music can elevate the experience significantly. Once you've customized your snap to your liking, you're ready to share it with your friends. Remember, Snapchat is all about creativity and fun, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and features. In summary, creating snaps on Snapchat is a straightforward process. You start by opening the app, choose to capture a photo or video, decorate it with filters and text, and optionally add a song. This way, you can share your unique moments with your friends in a fun and engaging manner. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.